everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Indigo Gift Card online using your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar that pops up at the very top, type in www.chapters.indigo.ca and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Indigo, which looks like this. Go and click the sign in button located at the upper left hand corner and enter your credentials in the pop-up box. That is your email address followed by your password for your Indigo account. And once you do that, click the sign in button. Soon after you're logged into your account, to redeem your gift card online, you must select some of the products that you'd like to purchase and add it in your shopping bag. Once you find the product, click on add to cart in order to add it on your shopping bag, and now click on view cart. Once you do that, check if everything's okay. Select how you'd like to get your order by picking one of these options over here, whether you'd like it to be shipped to your address or pick it up in store. And after everything looks okay, click on proceed to checkout button. Enter your shipping information, whatever it asks you, and once you are done with it, click the continue button on the right hand side. Now, right where it says payment and rewards, you'll need to choose option that you'd like to purchase the item with. To redeem your gift card, click on the gift card option right here, and once you do that, you'll be able to see two boxes popping up in the display. Simply remove the metallic strip at the back of your gift card for Indigo that you have right now with you and type in your gift card number into the first box. Similarly, go ahead and enter your PIN code number on the next, and finally click the apply button in order to redeem your gift card with Indigo. That is how it can be used online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.